Hello everyone, this is just a quick video on the course descriptions webpage. This is directly linked to the education guide, which we have a link for right here. So the purpose of this webpage is to ensure that all teachers and administrators have an easy way to filter and edit any information that we want displayed on the education guide. As an example, let's just say that I want to change information regarding the technology trends class. So let's search for that. I can type in technology trends and it automatically pops up right here. So you'll notice here that it says freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors can take it. Here's the description, and there really isn't a course note, prerequisite, or co-requisite that's listed. So let's just say that I want to change this to be only offered to sophomores, juniors, and seniors. Also, maybe I want to add a course note about calculators, and maybe I want to add a prerequisite, say Business 101. I'm just making this up, of course. So all I need to do is click Edit, which is going to lead to this Google form. All I need to do then is uncheck Freshman 09, and down here in the course note I'll say something like students must possess a scientific calculator, and maybe as a prerequisite, like I said, BE 101 Business 101. Again, I'm just making this up. Now before I press submit, I want to point your attention to the course description. Some of you are going to see some interesting little HTML pieces here. Now, what these are essentially are just line breaks. So they essentially are just telling the system to press enter or list another specific thing directly underneath it, and that's what I'm doing for these outcomes. And you can see again, that's the way these are all listed here versus just running all the way across. You can use these to add more outcomes if you wanted to, so you can change the course description as well. So let's just say I wanted to do that. I'm just going to copy this part right here and paste it right there, and I'm going to say something like, don't forget, you will learn more things also. Again, I'm just making this up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press submit. Sometimes this stuff gets immediately updated. Other times it takes a couple minutes. So let's refresh and see how quickly it wants to be today. Again, I'll search for technology trends. Not quite quick enough today. Let's refresh one more time. Oh, there it is. Looks like everything has now changed. Now freshman is no longer listed here. The addition to the course description says, don't forget, you will learn more things also. The course note was added and the prerequisite was added. So all of those fields are really that easy to change. Remember, these would also be reflected on the education guide, which I'll show you real quick right now. So everything here also changed. Of course, without the edit button. Well, that's all I have for you today on this web page. Now I get to go change back all that information. Thanks for watching.